Hello guys, welcome back. I'm Julie and I'm here to do my reaction video for season 6. Well, this is a season 6 Riverdale promo. This time, well, the title or the name of the promo is Typewriter. And yes, I am here. I am back to do a reaction video for a new promo for Riverdale. I usually don't do promo reactions, but seeing as I follow a lot of people on Twitter that follow Riverdale, I'm bound to get spoiled either way, so I decided I'm gonna watch it, and I'm in such a good mood because, today I watched the episode of Batwoman and it had Wildmore and it was excellent. And there's a high chance that this Riverdale promo has Barchie, so I'm like, my favorite ship, so I am here for it. So I'm gonna react to it. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys like it. Give it a lot of thumbs up, a lot of hearts, whatever way you can do to support the reaction, do it. Because I will do season 6 of Riverdale as well, because I like pain. That's why. And also I love Barchie and I want to see domestic Barchie, so I am here for it. So yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy, and without further ado, let's just begin with the Riverdale Season 6 Typewriter promo. Here we go. Okay, I don't know why I made such a long intro, I'm about to watch an episode, and this this video literally is 28 seconds long, so I don't know. Anyways, here we go. Oh, now I fucked it up. Wonderful. Okay. Wait. Sunday? Wait, Sunday! It says here, moves to Sundays. I don't know what day they used to air. I think Tuesdays? Or maybe Thursdays. I don't know. Beats me. Anyway, Sunday, March 20.
That explosion really messed up my hearing.
Oh,
You lied to
damn.
me.
I didn't want to be judged.
I think we're in a lot of trouble.
Do we have to perform an exorcism?
Oh, why
You
again?
know that?
You have no idea.
Oh, shit. Tony! Look at Barchie! Okay, okay, you know what? Exorcism. I heard exorcism and then I saw Barchie. That's it. I'm gonna repeat it because I literally did not understand anything that happened. Okay, again. Oh,
That
it's...
explosion really messed up my hearing.
Yeah, okay.
You lied to me.
I didn't want to be judged.
I think we're in a lot of trouble.
Do we have to perform an exorcism?
On
Crazy,
who?
you know that?
You have no idea.
Oh no. Oh yes.
Oh yes! Beat that shit. I am here for Archie to beat the shit out of Glenn and TBK. My man can do anything. And for Betty, you catch him fighting another bear if it needs to go down to that point. He will do so. wait. But I'm gonna try to pause on the Barchie moments, because that's all I care right now about. I care about Shoni as well, by the way, but as long as it seems like Cheryl is still in her crazy era, so and I saw her mom as well, so I'm not down for that.
Messed up my hearing. You lied to me.
I didn't want to be judged.
Not
I
here
think
for
we're in a
that.
lot of trouble.
But that is Barchie. Why does it seem like she's about to sing? If they sing again, I will die.
You lied to me.
I didn't want to be judged.
I think we're in a lot of trouble.
That's Barchie. I can't press pause on the exact same. There they are. There they are. Are they just precious? Aren't they just the most precious?
A lot of trouble.
Do we have to perform an exorcism?
Oh, who? Oh my god. I'm here for Betty punching Glenn.
You're crazy, you know that?
You have no idea.
Yes, you have no idea. What is happening with Tony? Is it her? Why is everybody racing? Oh, are they getting in jail? Please don't tell me that we are gonna perform an exorcism on her. Okay, please, for the love of God. That's not the Shoni I want. Look at them. Aren't they so precious? You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do a really cool thing.
You have
It's that kiss lasts for a second. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna slow it down. This is gonna be great, guys. Do not know what the hell's happening here. I don't know what it's happening. Look at Barchie. Look at Barchie. Look at them. It's so perfect. Turning love. She's still cray-cray, I bet. What is she doing here? And with cameras? What is happening? Okay, what else? Another Barchie scene? Okay, Betty? Betty face... Okay, if that's not Glenn, then please, shoot me right now. Oh, why is Tabitha crying though? Oh, that's sad. But that's Jughead, and like this, I ship them so hard.
No.
You know that, you know
Yes.
she's about to go down when the exes go, oh no. You know shit's about to go down. This man had fought a bear and has also been in war and survived. So, shit's about to go down. That was amazing. Wait, what if I repeat the Barchie kiss though? For like a second. It comes after this, right? Where's the Barchie kiss? Where's the Barchie kiss? After this?
We have to perform an exorcism.
It's after this, I think. They're so pretty. They own my soul. I just want to say that. Barchie's here to stay, and like I'm so ready to be like completely destroyed by them. Just wanted to say that. Look at it. That's the only thing I care about this trailer, by the way. I don't know what the hell is happening otherwise. Anyways.
Oh no. Oh yes.
Oh yes. You're
Riverdale,
about to get
new
your
episode
ass
new night,
kicked.
Sunday, March 20th. Stream free now.
Okay. Okay, guys, so that was the end of the Typewriter. I don't even know why it's titled that. Well, but that was a Typewriter promo. And, okay. The trailer was really everywhere. It's not a trailer, though. It's just a promo. Mainly to announce that they're moving to a different night. They're no longer on whatever night they were. Now they're moved to Sundays. I don't know how I feel about that, because it's like that means that I have to react to Riverdale on Mondays. And on Mondays I have to do Killing Eve as well. At the time that I'm watching Riverdale. So that's gonna be a doozy. Like going from Riverdale to Killing Eve. That's gonna be insane, I think. But yeah. Other than that, we see that we have the explosion fucked up Jughead's ear, right? Is like, but like, and I'm really like surprised it affected him, and it did not. It doesn't seem to have affect Archie and Betty, who were on top of the bed where the bomb was. So, anyways, but this is Riverdale. Logic means nothing on this show. So we have that, right? And we see him with Tabitha, but then we see Tabitha kind of like crying and hugging him, and we see the typewriter. It wasn't Jughead who was typing. Who was it? Betty? Who was it? Oh God! Do not even bring another ship on me right now, because I don't want it. So what else happened? Well, things are happening with Jughead. He's upset, which, you know, it could be for many reasons. Cheryl is performing an exorcism, which just, you know, puts all my hopes onto the, you know, Cheryl is cray-cray era being done. I'm really not hopeful about that, because it seems like she's still in the same BS. And honestly, I'm not here for it, because I have gotten to a point where I don't care about Cheryl, and Cheryl is one of my favorite characters. Used to be my favorite character, and now she's like, I just like, I don't want it. I don't want her to continue down that path, but it seems like that is happening. Her mom is, I really hope she's not singing, because I'm not here for another, you know, singing episode, like another musical episode. I am done. They should stop with the singing, like, immediately. But it looked like she was singing or something. I don't know. And she's gonna perform an exorcism, but we don't know on who, on what, or why. I don't know. And then we had Tony on her knees with her phone in her hand and hands up, and it seems like the other serpents are also with their hands up. So I don't know what the hell is happening there either. Then we got Barchie, which is like the only good thing and like the best thing of the trailer, because we got Barchie kissing, which is like so cute. I have missed my children so much. So I'm so happy that it seems like they are happy, you know, so that I am here for that. Really, because like I want domestic Barchie, you know. I just want them like smooching and like just like being cute. I want that, please. Like a lot of bad things had happened on Riverdale, but like them making Barchie like the end game couple, honestly, is the best thing that they could have ever done. Let's be real. Anyways, what else happened? Oh, what else happened? We have TBK, right? And Betty, like, kind of scared. And TBK could not have looked any more similar to Glenn than ever on that promo. And Glenn is here, and Betty is mad at him because, I mean, it's Glenn, so of course. And she punches him, and he's like, "You crazy?" And she's like, "You have no idea." And in comes Archie, as the amazing boyfriend that he is, to beat the crap out of Glenn. Which is like, I don't know what Glenn did, but probably he deserves it, you know? And like, my man has his rights. If he wants to hit Glenn, he should. I don't care about Glenn. All I care about is like goofy moments between Barchie, okay? Then you have Veronica's mom coming back with her. She was a desperate housewife, I think, of some place. I don't know where. So she's coming back and she has her cameras on, and I'm like, are we really gonna do a reality TV episode? And like, I'm not here for that. Unless it's Barchie. Listen, you might be sensing a theme here. All I care is about Barchie at the end of the day. Then you have Reggie and Veronica that I am like, which I do not care, you know, so yeah. Anyways, that happened. And yeah, that's pretty much the trailer, because I was only here for Barchie, and I got a few Barchie scenes, and they were really cute, and I cannot wait for season 6. Well, the rest of season 6 now. So now we know a date, March 20th, which is a Sunday, which I'm not going to watch it on Sunday. I'm going to watch it on Monday, so stay tuned for my reaction. But like I said, I'm here for Barchie. I'm here for, you know, domestic Barchie, like goofy Barchie. I am here for all the types of Barchie. Literally, if you just want to give me Barchie, I will be happy. And Tabitha and Jughead, because let's be honest, they are really cute, and like they're becoming a really solid couple, you know? And I care about them. Unlike Reggie and Veronica, who, you know, they can like jump out of a building on fire and survive, and I don't think I will care that much. I'm sorry, I'm being honest. Anyways, that's it. I'm excited for season 6, for the rest of season 6. I hope you guys are excited as well. Thank you to everyone who point me in the direction of this trailer. If there are more, you know, soon that has Barchie in it, because if it doesn't have a Barchie in it, do not send me that. I will react to it. But for now, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys continue supporting for more. And I cannot wait until season 6 is here. You know, the rest of season 6 is here, so we can like just drown in all the Barchie moments. Who is here with me? Please. thumbs up if you're here for Barchie. Anyways, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time for more reaction videos for Riverdale, which it should be titled Barchie Dale. Let's be real. That's it. I'll see you guys next time. Mwah! Bye!